Hello guys, welcome to AY Studio Animation Training. Um, it's been a while I have done a tutorial, so welcome once again. Uh, right now we'll be doing more of like a design replica of a design idea I saw back then. So this is an Instagram design which I picked from Prince AE social media handle. I love the design, it's simple, and I would like to show you and teach you how to do it. How we got our new document is as a result of Control N or Command N on your keyboard, or go to your file and press new. Right, we are using dimension of 1000 by 1000, 1000 by 1000, and I basically use 700 pixels to have a good 700 pixels to have a good resolution. So when you've done that, you press enter. Right, the next thing we are going to do, we are bringing in our logo, which is this. If your logo is on your system, just go to your file, and click and drag inside. Basically that's the way you bring in your logo. So my logo is here. I've opened a file, so I'm bringing in my logo. There's some other things that I'm going to need automatically, social media handles and contact details. Right, maybe next lesson I'll teach you how I was able to get this done, but it's basically simple. I think I need this. Yes, I need this, and I need what else again? I need this. Right, let's bring that in. On the norms I should just type this all over again, but just trying to save a lot of time and just show you how they were able to get this thing done. So guys, okay, another thing I need. Okay, let me leave this. Let me make it as simple as possible. So since when I want to replicate this, let me click and drag this inside also. So first of all, we are going to create this rectangle shape. So how are we going to go do that? We go to our rectangle tool, right, and we click and drag to our desired taste. Right, if you are okay with this, I'm okay with this for now. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to remove the fill from either here or here. But if you don't have property tab, go to your windows and check this out. So I'm going to remove the fill. Right, I need the stroke. Let me select the color of the stroke. Choose any color you want to select. Right, basically this stroke is kind of thick and I don't like that. It's not subtle. Let's try 3. I think 3 is fine. 3 is fine. Also, let me pick the color of what he used for. So let's just use this. Just pick your own color. So the next thing he did was he created. Let me hide this so we see what we have here. Let me move this. Right, let me move this. So I'm just trying to centralize all of them with my background and make sure everything is to the center. So the next thing he did was he created a mask. So we are going to create our own mask and make sure it's directly at the center. Right, directly at the center. We can move our mask later and make sure it's at the center. Right, created its mask. In case I only see the inside, just invert it. Right, the next thing he did was bring in our text. Basically how I did this text for continuity. I'm going to bring in the text I was using there, but this is how I did that text. Just click and drag on your text tool, click and drag, you create a text box, and you can choose the size and the line spacing and all. So that's that. But let me just, for continuity, let me just bring this in. Right, let's bring in our text. Right, let me delete this since when I don't need it. Let's bring in the name of the speaker. I've set the quote. Let's bring in our picture, and I'll show you how I was able to get this done too. So let me delete that circle. So this is how I brought in the picture. Go to your go to your desktop or whatever your picture is, right? Let's say, for example, let me pick a picture from my picture tab. Let's say this, right? Click and drag inside. Right, when you click and drag inside, I don't like this picture, it's blurry. Let's say this. Okay, this is super clear. A bunch of them. Wow. Alright. Sharply. Super. So let's say this picture, and I want to create a mask. I want a circular mask. So I'm going to go to my shape tool, my ellipse tool. Now click and drag while holding your shift key to have a perfect circle. Right, when you've done that, click and drag your ellipse tool down to be beneath the layer of your picture. Now in between the layer, hold your alt key down and press, and be in the middle of these two layers. You see a drop down like this with your arrow key, and click, and you create a mask automatically. So you can scale to fit in what you have. So basically this is what I did. So that's that. So let me create that clip marks again. Oh shit. So let me just Ctrl Z the old stuff. Right, so basically that's that. So let's scale this down. Also, we are going to drop down our stroke, or kind of, let's totally remove it. We don't need it. Right, and it's going to be here. Let's see what we have there. I'm trying to make this as quick as possible. Right, also our text layer should be small. Our text layer should be small. Right, and this, just make sure everything is well balanced. As you can see the way I'm making sure everything is well balanced. So I'm pretty sure this one was centralized. Right. Let's increase our line spacing to 6. Our line space to let's try 8. Let's try 8, and let's change our text color. So that's all to it. Let's see if I can bring this down so it looks nicer. It looks nice. So should we do, they said live tips, should we put the live tips? But let me show you how that was done also. Let me show you how that was done. Where's our shape layer? Okay, shape layer. No, I'm trying to move this. Oh boy. Okay, let's draw the shape layer again. Let's draw the shape layer again and make sure it's centralized, and select the max layer and press Alt backspace. Right. Then go back to your shape tool, select the rectangular tool and draw your shape. And right here we need our fill. We need our fill color. Right. We need our fill color. Let's centralize it to the middle. And let's make sure it's balanced. Basically balanced, and let's drop this down back to 6. It's looking off, right? It's much better. Let me add a bevel here, just to sweeten the old stuff. Let's add bevel to here. Yeah, it's getting better. Let me increase the bevel. Let's see what we have. Right, it's getting better. So should we call it, I'm trying to see a text, what the title of the text I can call this. Let's call this Monday Quote or so, or I might change it later on, but let's call it Monday Quote. Let's change the text color to extremely something darker. Right. Right. Let's make sure the colors and the text spacing, line spacing is basically almost the same with the text. So let's see if we scale this down. Let's zoom in to see what we have. Alright, so I think this is better. Also, I would love to change this is off. It's kind of off. It's better now. Yeah, it's better now. So guys, I think that's that. There's not much to it. It's basically simple. So guys, welcome again. I said welcome. Stay tuned for our next